Whoever's dog that is, they need to go to sleep or something. I see the flashes of the fireworks on my camera from all the way over here.
Yes, sir. Where is it?
Over there. There goes more fireworks that looks like lightning. Told you. Whoa! Oh, wow. I still see it. Is that an animal I hear?
No.
What is all that steam coming from?
There was no animal.
Oh, that was just a person. You saw all that?
Nope.
Huh?
What? Saw what?
All that,
Yeah.
all those fireworks. Goodness. I'm not about to miss a single one. I ain't missing none.
Can't you get that from upstairs in your window?
Mm-mm.
Well, you're gonna have a miss. 'Cause I'm going in.
Remember we used to sit out here last year?
I don't remember.
Yeah, on July 4th, we used to sit out here and watch the fireworks from up here.
That was last year.
I'm surprised that they're doing them way better this year than they did last year. It was not like this. Oh! I don't think it's gonna rain for a while, Papa. Oh!
The light here. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Whoa!
There you go.
Wow! Whoa! Oh my goodness. After I'm done with this, I'm gonna have to refix my storage. Cause yeah, my storage is gonna be full by the time I'm done with this. And tomorrow, cause there's gonna be some storms tomorrow. I seen some through the trees. You should have heard that big one earlier, Papa. It was when...
I did heard it. I was in the house and I heard it.
Oh. Whoa!
There you go.
Wow. Yeah, I feel like this was way better than last year. I'm gonna be totally honest. Wonder what Houston's getting right now.
I don't know.
It's so misty everywhere from that fireworks. Papa, I might stay out here.
No, I don't want you to stay out here. Come on, let's go in the house.
Uncle Daryl said I can stay out.
Okay. I'm going in.
Alright.
Stay out here too long.
Okay, I won't.